Today we're going to make super yummy banana cupcakes. Let's get started. You will need 13 ingredients for this recipe. First, let's heat up our oven. Then grab your cupcake pan and pop some cute liners in it. Let's smash the bananas with a fork and set them inside. Let's mix our dry ingredients in a bowl. That's flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. Give it a little stir and set it aside. Now take a big bowl and put in the butter, oil, and sugar. Mix them with your mixer until they look fluffy and light like a cloud. It's time to add the egg and vanilla extract. Then mix everything really well. Put half of the dry ingredients into the bowl and mix it up. Do the same for the other half of the dry ingredients, but not too much, just until it's almost mixed in. Then slowly add the milk and mashed bananas to the bowl. Mix it all up. Fill the liners about 3/4 full with our cupcake mix. And give them a little tap to make sure the batter is well settled. Into the oven they go for 15 to 18 minutes. After baking, let the cupcakes cool down. Now for the frosting, we will need 5 ingredients. Mix cream cheese and butter until they're smooth. Add half of the powdered sugar and mix again. Add and cinnamon, vanilla extract for extra yummies. Put in the rest of the powdered sugar and mix until it's all creamy. If you like, you can add a drop of food coloring, and I want mine to be rose pink. Let's decorate the cupcakes. With a big piping tip, swirl the frosting on top of the cupcakes. Add your favorite decoration. I love Mickey Mouse candy and snow tips. Ta-da! Our yummy banana cupcakes is ready to enjoy.